Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie bowl for weight loss. Begin by selecting a liquid base like unsweetened almond milk or water, about 1/2 cup. Next, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder, ensuring it has at least 20 grams of protein. This combination forms the foundation for a satisfying and nutrient-dense meal, crucial for managing hunger and supporting your weight loss goals effectively. To enhance fullness and nutrient intake, incorporate 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or ground flaxseed. These provide essential fiber, keeping you feeling satisfied longer. Next, add 1/4 of an avocado for healthy fats, which also contribute to satiety and a creamy texture. Finally, blend in 1/2 cup of frozen berries, offering antioxidants and natural sweetness without excessive sugar. Achieving the right consistency is key for a smoothie bowl. Use a high-speed blender, starting with the minimum liquid amount. Blend on low, then gradually increase speed, pushing ingredients down as needed. Add more liquid, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches a thick, spoonable texture, similar to soft-serve ice cream. Avoid making it too thin; it should hold its shape. Finish your weight loss smoothie bowl with smart toppings. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of chopped nuts like almonds or walnuts for extra crunch and healthy fats. A dash of cinnamon can add flavor and may help with blood sugar regulation. Remember, toppings should be minimal to keep calories in check. Enjoy your delicious, satisfying, and weight loss-friendly smoothie bowl right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.